Everyone talks about making millions online, but if you've never made a dime online, that feels impossible. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $100 or pounds online using a few methods that anyone can try. No courses, no complex software, just a little bit of hustle. If you're a beginner and you want to make some money online using AI, this is the easiest place to start. No inventory, no shipping, no upfront cost, and the best part is you can start today, even if you've never created anything online before. Because in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the easiest AI side hustles for beginners, built around one simple business method, and that's digital products sold on Etsy. By the end of this video, you'll know why digital products are the perfect beginner side hustle, the 4 easiest products that you can create with AI, how to research what actually sells, and how to start out even if you're starting from zero. So let's jump in. So why digital products are the easiest AI side hustle is because digital products are the ultimate beginner's business because you create them once and you can sell them forever. There's no inventory and there's no shipping involved. And the profit margins are insanely high. You can sell a £15 or $1 printable planner and minus the fees, you keep all the profits. And that's almost most of it. But here's a reason why they work so well in 2026. AI has removed the hardest part. Tools like ChatGPT or Copilot can help you brainstorm the ideas, create the online content, structure the templates, and generate the designs for you. What used to take weeks now can just take a matter of hours. And the best-selling platform for this is Etsy because Etsy already has millions of active buyers searching for these products every month. So that means you don't need an audience. You just need a good listing. So that said, here are the 4 easiest digital products that you can start with. Not the most complex and not the most competitive ones, the most simplest of ones, which is niche planners. Not generic planners, which are already oversaturated. The opportunity is in the niche. So that hence the reason why it's niche planners. For example, travel planners, wedding expense planners, ADHD daily structure planner, student loan payoff tracker, or even Notion planners. Ask ChatGPT or any other AI tool to outline the sections, suggest categories, improve layout ideas, and then build it in Canva, Google Sheets, or Notion. But the best one is in Google Sheets. So if you're going to do it in Google Sheets, then go to ChatGPT and give it the prompt, give me the code that I can export into the Google Excel sheet to create, and let's say in this example, to create a wedding expense tracker. Then go to Google Sheets and copy and paste it into then the code that you get from ChatGPT or any other AI tool that you've used, and then copy and paste it into Google Sheets. And the goal of these planners isn't just to make a planner, it's actually to solve a specific problem. So when creating these planners, always have that in mind. Another underrated digital product is resume templates. This niche is absolutely wide open. Most people hate formatting resumes. Create templates like nursing resumes, tech resumes, entry-level graduate resumes, and the list can go on. AI can help you generate the example content, suggest the structure, and tailor resumes to each individual industry. Again, you only design it once and then duplicate it from multiple niches. Number 3, printable journals and other digital products. These are incredibly easy to create. For example, a 30-day gratitude journal, a habit tracker, a goal-setting workbook, a fitness log for busy mums, and other underrated digital products for real estate, funerals and life celebrations, educational material for homeschooling, preschool, kindergarten. Just remember, you just need to niche down. The more you niche down, the more you'll see that there's less competition and the more money you can make. When asking AI, just be more specific in what you want to create. For example, ask AI to create a 30-day self-reflection journal outline or give me a 30-day productivity workbook. The thing is, people don't want to create these themselves. They don't have the time and they definitely don't want to create them from scratch. They want something that's already ready, usable. So what you're just selling is the convenience of it, and you can sell it again and again. Another great product is digital stickers for planners like GoodNote. AI makes this incredibly beginner friendly. Creating digital stickers for planners is another great way to start making your first £100 or $1 online. Tools like Leonardo AI, which is free, can create all these stickers for you, and you can generate multiple related stickers in the same style. When creating them, just make sure you put in a white background and then use another free tool like Remove GB to remove the background. Then go to Canva and organize all your stickers in there and then export it as a PNG file ready to use. One thing you have to make sure you do is to research properly. Most beginners skip this step. This is the most important part. You don't create first, you research first. On Etsy, look for listings with a lot of reviews, shops with consistent sales, new shops doing well, clear niche targeting. Study the titles, the keywords, their mock-ups, and their pricing. See if they're offering bundles. If not, see if you can offer that. Once you've got all this research, then ask yourself, how could I make one of those elements better? Better design, more pages, a cleaner layout. How can you add more value to it? You don't need to reinvent anything. You just need to improve just one piece, even if it's just the title. And as a beginner, you do need to remember, and this is where most beginners fail, because they just upload 5 listings, wait 2 weeks, see if anything happens, get frustrated, and they just quit. Winning shops have multiple listings. They have 50 plus listings, even hundreds, because it's a volumes game. Volume matters. Yes, quality does, the niche does, focus on that as well, and also volume. This is what beginners don't realize. Also, your mock-ups are everything as well. People can't touch a digital product, so your mock-ups matter. Your listings, your photos, they all matter. People will judge your product on your presentation and the photos that you've listed. And once you've started to make some sales on Etsy, think about branching out as well. Etsy is perfect for beginners because it has built-in traffic. Buyers trust it and you don't need a website. But eventually, once you've started to see that money roll in, think about expanding. But you're selling the same digital product on different platforms, like Amazon KDP, Gumroad, Shopify. You've got that one product on multiple platforms. There's no extra creation for it. But as a beginner, you just start on one platform, which is Etsy, master it. Once you've got that done, then start expanding. Okay, I'm just going to be real with you now. Your first product might just flop, because I know that mine did. And you never know, your first 10 products might just flop. And trust me, that's normal. It works when you research properly, niche down, improve on one element, and most of all, stay consistent. Digital products grow slowly and they compound over time. AI doesn't replace the effort, it just accelerates it. Now, if I was starting from zero today, this is what I would do. I'll pick one niche, I'll understand it, research what's working, look at what other sellers are selling, create one high quality product in that niche, make 10 variations of it, then start uploading consistently and improve on one element as well. And if I get any feedback for improvements, I'll implement it. It's not easy but simple. So if you're starting your first AI side hustle, comment below with starting. And if you want a full step-by-step guide on the research, product creation, mock-up design, Etsy listing setup, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video around that. The easiest AI side hustle isn't about chasing trends. It's about building digital assets that sell while you sleep. And again, thanks for watching. This is Modest Money Matters. Please hit that subscribe button if you want more ways on how to make your first £100 or dollars online. And as always, wishing you good vibes and good health, and I'll see you in the next one.